honey. Open up. It's for your teeth. Good girl.
Is Isabella brushing her teeth?
No, she's biting me. She wasn't biting me a minute ago. Open up, honey. Open your mouth so I can brush your teeth.
She gets camera shy.
Let's brush your teeth, honey. Let's show them how we brush them, okay? Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. That's her toothbrush. You want to chew on it? You can chew on it. Let's brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Let's brush those teeth, honey. Look, watch mommy, honey. Look. Isabella. Look, like this one. See? Open up. There you go.
There's bottom teeth there.
Let's show them the teeth. Where's those two first? There they are.
Yeah.
See the two first? Can you see the two first?
Yeah, we got a glimpse of them.
It's hard for me. There
you
you
go. That's it.
Hold on, do it.